Good morning everybody. One more day to go. It's day 49 of lockdown, and tomorrow I will be launching the competition. It's pretty fresh this morning. It's really nice. Sun's coming up. You can hear the lapwings in the field. Yeah, it's quite fresh. It's nice. Right, we're en route as always. First thing we do, go and get that camera. It's no wonder it's cool. There's a frost. Whether you can pick that up on camera or not. There's definitely a frost. Look at that there. Some definite flattening of grass there. Pretty sure that wasn't there last night. There's not much going to want to go in there, is there? So tomorrow is all about the competition. There will be instructions in the video. Basically, it's just going to be 6 questions. You just need to answer, and you can either email me. I'll put an email address at the end of the competition, or you can go on my Jester Bushcraft Facebook account and send me a message. Or if you know me, then you can tell me by other means. But just don't put the answers in the comments of the video, because I want to give other people a chance. And then by the 53rd video, once I've got all the entries in, I'll go through them all, check the answers. It's not difficult really. We'll just pick a winner at random, and hopefully your prize will arrive in time for me to send it out to you. No scent this morning, none at all, nothing. However, the bait has gone, but we won't know till we get back. As we all know, it's really quite fresh this evening. I can really feel it in the air. Really feel it sort of damp and cool. It's nice, sun's setting, it's over the trees there. But yeah, it's a chilly one. So I'm just going to have a bit of a wander around, and then we'll place the camera, and then we'll head back home. I just want to talk about last night's camera placement. I know there's never any guarantee that you're going to get any footage. But last night I placed the camera in a location that I was pretty certain I was going to get something. And when I collected the camera this morning, all the bait had gone. I think, I didn't check really well, but I looked down and I couldn't see anything. So I just assumed that it's a given, I'm going to get some footage. But when I got home this morning, absolutely nothing. There was one clip, and that was me collecting the camera. Just opening the door of the camera and switching it off. That's all I got. I was really surprised and a bit concerned as to whether there was something not functioning with the camera. So I'm going to be putting the camera back in the same location tonight. And we'll just have to try again, because I really want to get some footage because we've not had any for a while. So tomorrow it's competition day. Hope you're all looking forward to it. yeah, it's all set. All the questions are set. So tomorrow there will be a bit of me having a chat and wandering around, but the majority of it will be the competition. So look out for that tomorrow. So there you go. It's another footageless video today. Footageless, is that even a word? So I hope you enjoyed that as best you could. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button up here. Leave a comment as always. Don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video, and look out for that competition video tomorrow. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.